Still let's win.
All of my friends call me BNS, oh, oh. Oh. I know I'm gonna win some, and I'm surely gonna lose some too. See, but I've got my mind on this, yeah. Give me something, make I hold on to, yeah. I want to win and never lose. You hear the sound we I produce. I know you wanna hear me sing, yeah. To all my people, make you join me sing, yeah. Wale wale le ooh. I know they bother, ooh. Cause I'm getting wins out of losses. Tell me who the first gonna stop this. Wale wale le ooh. I know they bother, oh. So I'm getting wins out of losses. Tell me who the first gonna stop this. Wale wale le ooh. I know they bother, oh. Cause I'm getting wins out of losses. And tell me who the first gonna stop this. Yeah. Wale wale le ooh. I know they bother, oh. Cause I'm getting wins out of losses. And tell me who the first gonna stop this. Cause I'm forcing.
I'm no more loser, they feel this why I choose. Big things coming up, get ready to groove. It's funny how you see things getting approved. But the devil them don't know, say them figure you did lose. Fools be putting hexes on we, but we still they tend to taking the lead. Day or day, make a day my day. No, they think of trying, it's a felony. Wale wale leo, start this thing, no be today. No, they take your reggae, come spoil my blues. Day or day, make a day my day.
Wale wale leo, I don't need bother, oh. Cause I'm getting wins and losses. Tell me who the fuck gonna stop this.
Wale wale leo, I know they bother, oh. Cause I'm getting wins out of losses. Tell me who the fuck gonna stop this. Wale wale leo.
No reason. Oh my God. Booty, are you okay? Now then. Huh? How do? Not into my ear. I'm doing me wonder her.
Now what the man? Then so I'm in the bag.
No, I'm for her. And then the office. And I said, wash your go. Hey, my man for sure, I'm here. Do you any number here? Hey, we are just all you okay? The my man friend, my doctor friendly. Me just say, "Obey to me about fear be sure." But you okay? Why? Sorry. You'll be fine. No friend. Don't buy so around. Akosua will be on phone. I'm trying. You'll be fine. Why? Hello, doctor. Yeah, me patrol. Good afternoon. When the Mr. Wadaroma, me patrol, my sister ya repa on. Think I will come ubit me afi fi anke be me de pa na obhwe na mama. Please. Oh, I know I am impromptu for me. I'm so sorry. So let me show you my patrol. Thank you very much. God bless you, doctor. Okay, bye. Oh, thank God. So was to when you down. You can't manage. Are you okay? Why? You took me to be Mount Diana. Are you okay? Okay, we're about to see her. Why? Oh, I didn't have some crying. Could be a name paper. No. Are you okay? What do you say? I'm a friend and uncle withdrew home. I'm not there. I'm very important. Okay, we're fine. Sorry.
fighting, let's win.
Yes, I'm coming.
All of my friends call me
Bow.
Agnes. I know I'm gonna win some, and I'm surely gonna lose some too.
Oh, you're being sure. Why you busy, pa?
Yeah, my
I'm
friend,
sorry.
one of my guys in some of my patients with. Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much. Please.
Dr. Solomon. Yes, please, very quick one. I forgot. Yes, please. Doc, my patron, Madam Gladys, oh, the other last bed, no. Mr. Manukoroki, Mammy, why? Or damn, the time I saw. I just had a call and, like, you know, and it was very impromptu. Yes, please. Oh, okay. Thank you, sir. All right, Doc. Thank you very much, Doc. All right.
Oh, doctor, you once again walk.
Don't worry.
I'm
I'm very okay.
Oh, Mrs. Tanini, also on a pain. She's been complaining she's not well.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. That's all what you know.
But I feel like there's going to be malaria.
Malaria.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because you unveil.
You unveil her.
Unveil her for me.
Hey, doctor.
Unclothe her for me.
Unveil.
Yeah.
Hey, doctor.
Unclothe and unveil always the same.
Hey, doctor.
Yes. I mean, Pacho, let me check your palm, please. I'm not from someone.
What's it? What's the manager? Which is fine.
My dear, please, can you excuse us for a while?
Oh,
Because maybe when you're okay, whilst you are here.
Oh, sir.
Yeah, sure. Sometimes, like, if you're helping these patients at your hospital, I feel like, you're back home service. I have some techniques go on. Yes, please. Yeah, so please, give like 6.
I'll be inside, okay? If anything, you call me. But Doctor, but you're not so open soon.
Oh, right, okay. It's okay. My man is slow.
Thank you.
Yeah, she's feeling feverish and very dizzy. Yeah.
Dizzy, yes,
Yeah.
yes, doctor. Okay, so please go on. Thank you.
My dear, Pacho, over, snacks come and be like,
Booty, I'll be inside, okay?
Buti,
If
please help
anything,
me, let me help you too, okay? Sorry, I can't, it's very painful though, but, good. Have a sip of the water. Water is life.
Doctor, please, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm very okay. Don't worry. She'll be fine, okay?
Okay.
No, I'm gonna come. Please, okay? Okay. Good.
Are you okay?
She's okay. She's okay.
You know the issue is maybe about a pen or no.
Oh, okay. Oh, come on. Don't worry, my dear. Try to, lie down on the sofa on the couch.
I should leave you too.
Yeah, sure.
So if anything, you can call me.
Don't worry. You believe me now, you trust me. Yeah. Lock yourself, okay? Don't come out now, lock yourself, I'll be okay, yeah. Yeah, and she's going to be okay too. Trust me. So, you lie down like this. Good girl. You'll be okay?
Okay, doctor.
I want you to lock the door.
Water.
No, the water is here already.
Water is
Yeah, so get inside.
Doctor.
Don't distract me when I'm working because there's some techniques and you can say, okay? Alright, whatever. Make sure you lock yourself, okay? And lock yourself inside the room. Okay? Yeah, sure.
Nowadays you've upgraded, so
I'm checking the temperature of the rest of the air which is elevating.
oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm still on it.